Welcome. Dr. V. Reddy's. Check and improve your knowledge. Please write 1 to 25 numbers on a white paper and note down your answers after each MCQ. Check your answers with the answers given at the end. If your score is 25, excellent. If it is 21 to 24, very good. If it is 16 to 20, good. Practice makes a man perfect. Topic is atmosphere. Part 1. Total MCQs in this quiz are 25. 1. The layer of gases that surrounds the Earth, very essential for life, contains the air that we breathe, protects us from the harmful radiation of the sun is A. Lithosphere, B. Hydrosphere, C. Biosphere, D. Atmosphere. 2. The layer of gases that surrounds the Earth helps to keep the planet's heat on the surface and plays a very important role in the water cycle is A. Lithosphere, B. Atmosphere, C. Hydrosphere, D. Biosphere. 3. The lowest layer of our atmosphere begins at ground level and rises to a height of roughly 10 kilometers above sea level is A. Thermosphere, B. Mesosphere, C. Troposphere, D. Stratosphere. 4. The atmospheric layer, nearly all weather occurs in it, contains dust particles, 75% of total air, and 99% of atmosphere's water vapor is a stratosphere, B. Mesosphere, C. Thermosphere, D. Troposphere. 5. The atmospheric layer, where all changes in climate and weather, including clouds, storms, and precipitation, take place is A. Mesosphere, B. Troposphere, C. Thermosphere, D. Stratosphere. 6. The average height of troposphere is 13 kilometers. It is roughly 8 kilometers near the poles, but it is approximately 18 kilometers at the equator because A. Thermal expansion, B. Convection currents, C. Centrifugal force, D. All of the above. 7. Solar heating is much stronger at the equator compared to higher latitudes. Because of the direct angle of sunlight, it causes troposphere at the equator. A. Thin, B. Thick, C. No effect, D. Sometimes thin and sometimes thick. 8. The temperature in the troposphere decreases at a rate of A. 1 degree Celsius for every 165 meters of height, B. 6.5 degrees Celsius for every kilometer of height, C. 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit for every 1,000 feet of height, D. All of the above. 9. Air pressure drops and temperature decreases in A. Troposphere, B. Stratosphere, C. Mesosphere, D. Both A and C. 10. Air pressure drops and temperature increases in A. Stratosphere, B. Thermosphere, C. Both A and B, D. Mesosphere. 11. The wettest layer of atmosphere is A. Mesosphere, B. Troposphere, C. Thermosphere, D. Stratosphere. 12. The driest layer of atmosphere is A. Stratosphere, B. Thermosphere, C. Mesosphere, D. Troposphere. 13. The compound was primarily responsible for ozone depletion and leading to international regulatory action. A. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. B. Hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs. C. Methane. D. Nitrous oxide. 14. The atmospheric layer which contains ozone layer is A. Troposphere. B. Tropopause. C. Thermosphere. D. Stratosphere. 15. Thickness of ozone layer over the poles and the equator. A. Thicker at the poles than at the equator. B. Thinner at the poles than at the equator. C. Same at the poles and the equator. D. None of the above. 16. The large convection currents formed by the warm surface at the equator, and these are responsible for transporting warm air from the equator to higher altitudes and latitudes are called A. Heavy cells. B. Heat cells. C. Had cells. D. Hadley cells. 17. The protocol adopted in 1987 for protection of ozone layer is A. Kyoto Protocol. B. Cartagena Protocol. C. Montreal Protocol. D. Both A and B. 18. The layer absorbs UV radiation and shields life on the Earth is A. Oxygen layer. B. Hydrogen layer. C. Troposphere. D. Ozone layer. 19. Above the Earth's surface, the ozone layer is located approximately at A. 5 to 8 kilometers, B. 15 to 35 kilometers, C. 50 to 85 kilometers, D. 85 to 600 kilometers. 20. The atmospheric layer begins roughly at 10 kilometers above the Earth and extends up to 50 kilometers, and it contains ozone layer is A. Mesosphere, B. Troposphere, C. Stratosphere, D. Thermosphere. 21. Over the Earth's surface, the ozone layer's average thickness is A. 3 millimeters, B. 300 Dobson units, C. 300 millimeters, D. Either A or B. 22. The study of the processes of atmosphere is called A. Astrology, B. Astronomy, C. Meteorology, D. Seismology. 23. The amount of actual water vapor of air is known as A. Relative humidity, B. Absolute humidity, C. Fog, D. Frost. 24. Atmospheric humidity is measured by A. Hydrometer, B. Psychrometer, C. Anemometer, D. Photometer. 25. The refractive index of air is A. 0, B. Slightly less than 1, C. 1, D. Slightly more than 1. If you like this quiz, please don't forget to subscribe, press like button, press bell icon, and also don't forget to share it to your friends, classmates, and relatives. Our quiz on this topic will continue in next parts. If you scored 25, you are excellent. Scored between 21 to 24, you are very good. If it is between 16 to 20, you are good. Repeated practice leads to great success. Please check answers. 1. D. Atmosphere. 2. B. Atmosphere. 3. C. Troposphere. 4. D. Troposphere. 5. B. Troposphere. 6. D. All of the above. 7. B. Thick. 8. D. All of the above. 9. D. Both A and C. 10. C. Both A and B. 11. B. Troposphere. 12. A. Stratosphere. 13. A. Chlorofluorocarbons. 14. D. Stratosphere. 15. A. Thicker at the poles than at the equator. 16. D. Hadley cells. 17. C. Montreal Protocol. 18. D. Ozone layer. 19. B. 15 to 35 kilometers. 20. C. Stratosphere. 21. D. 3 millimeters or 300 Dobson units. 22. C. Meteorology. 23. B. Absolute humidity. 24. B. Psychrometer. 25. D. Slightly more than 1. Thank you. Have a great day.